Hello friends. So we have a question involving multiple concepts. The question involves the concepts of trigonometry, functions chapter and application of derivatives. So we are given a scientist who is conducting an experiment on two plants A and B of the same species. But he is providing fertilizers to them in a different manner. As a result, the plants are growing at a different rate. The functions of their growth in terms of their week is given in the question. In the first part, we have to find the initial height. By initial height, we mean is the height of the plants at t equals to 0. So, for the function for plant A is sine of 2t plus 6. You can see in the question it is 2t plus 6 plus 9t plus 27. So at t equals to 0, the height of the plant A will be, putting t equals to 0, this is sine of 6, 6 is in radians, plus 27. So putting the value of sine 6, you will get it 26.7205 or 26.721 centimeter. Similarly, let us try to find the height of plant B. The function in this case is 8t plus 32. Now, to get the value at t equals to 0, HB at 0 will be equals to 32 centimeter. So, the height of the plant B is 32 centimeter. The height of plant A is 26.721 centimeter at the start of the experiment or at t equals to 0. Now, in part B, we have to find the values of t when both the heights of the plant are equal. Since both the plants are growing at different pace, there may be some time interval when both the plants have similar height. So what we will do is we will equate their functions and try to find the value of t when these are equal. So on equating, we get sine 2t plus 6, this is 90 plus t minus 5 equals to 0. So this is a equation involving trigonometry as well as linear degree 1. So we will try to plot the graph and try to solve it from our calculator or graphic display calculator. So let us try to plot this function and see when it is equals to 0. So we have plotted this graph for you. So this is the graph of f of sine t, sine of 2t plus 6 plus t minus 5. So you can see this is 0 at various values of t, which are 4.007, 4.703 and 5.883. So these are the time intervals when the height of both the plants will be equal. These are in terms of weeks. Now let us try to see the part C. In part C, we have to show that for t greater than 0, plant A is always taller than plant B. So for t greater than 6, we will try to see what is HAT. HAT is sine 2t plus 6 plus 9t plus 27, and HBT is 8t plus 32. So we will try to see whether we can comment anything on this difference. If this is greater than 0, that means HA is bigger. If this is less than 0, HB is bigger. Subtracting these 2t plus 6 plus 9t plus 27 minus 8t plus 32. So you will get sine 2t plus 6 plus t minus 5. Now you know this value varies from minus 1 to 1. Can we comment on this? Let us see. We know t is greater than 6. That means t minus 5 is greater than 1. That means this t minus 5 is always greater than 1. Using this result, we can say this is always greater than 1. Now, if this term is always greater than 1 and this term can at minimum to minimum can go to minus 1, that means we can say this whole term will always be greater than 0. If this whole term is always greater than 0 for t greater than 6, we can say HAT minus HBT is greater than 0 for t greater than 6. That means HAT is greater than HBT for t greater than 6. That means the height of the plant A is more than height of the plant B when t is. Move on to the D part. In the D part, we have to identify the time between 0 to 9 when H dash B, that is the rate of growth of plant B, is greater than H dash T, that is the rate of growth of plant A. So we know the HA is sine of 2t plus 6 plus 9t plus 27. So h dash at will be its first derivative, which is cos of 2t plus 6 into 2 plus 9. Similarly, hbt, that the growth of plant B, the height is as a function of t is 8t plus 32. So its growth rate will be its derivative. So we have to identify the time for which h dash bt, that is 8, is greater than h dash at, which is cos of 2t plus 6 multiplied by 2 plus 9. So this can be simplified as cos of 2t plus 6 multiplied by 2 is less than minus 1, or cos of 2t plus 6 is less than minus half. Now we have to find the value of t varying between 0 to 9 when cos of 2t plus 6 is less than minus half. So we try to plot the graph of these cos of 2t plus 6 and draw the line y equals to minus half and see when this graph is below this line. So we have already plotted the graph. This graph is for cos of 2t plus 6 and this is your minus half line. So you can see in the red part highlighted here, these are the part where cos of 2t plus 6 is less than minus half. Similarly in this part also and in this part also, and from symmetry you can see interval for all these three parts will be similar. So the total duration will be this difference, this total time into 3. So the time for which this is true is minus 1.189 to 2.236, then t greater than 4.33 to 5.37, 8 weeks, then t greater than 7.472 to 8.519. The intervals are all same, so the total time will be the 3 times difference of any one interval, which is 2.236 minus 1.189. Solving this, you will get approximately this value will be 3.14, weeks. So for this much of time, the graph cos 2t plus 6 is less than minus half, meaning HLBT is greater than H dash as discussed in the question. For more such questions and their detailed explanation, do visit our website www.iitnacademy.com and register for detailed explanations and solutions. Thank you.